Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syakir Fahmi bin Muhammad Shah. My matrix number is C190206. I'm from Group 8, and we will be presenting about our laboratory 1, which is design a circuit using Proteus software. So basically, our task is to create a circuit which is a multi-vibrator circuit. So multi-vibrator circuit is an electronic circuit which can be used to build oscillators, timer, and flip-flop, and other simple two-stage system to amplification devices such as transistors, electron tubes, and other devices were cross-linked by resistors or capacitors in the circuit. So that's the basic knowledge about the multi-vibrator. So what I show here is our circuit design on our Proteus software. So in our circuit, we will require four resistor. R1 with R4 is equal to 1 kilo ohm, and R2 and R3 equals to 5 kilo ohm. Then we have two capacitor with a value of 200 and 220 microfarad. Then we have NPN transistor, battery with a 12 volt, and last but not least, LED, green and blue. So this is our circuit design that we are based on the figure given on the left sheet. So the simulation will be presented by my other group members. So that's all from me, and thank you very much.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syami bin Muhammad Zani. My metric number is CE190123, and I am from section 3, group number 8. Today I would like to explain more about our experiment number 1, which which this circuit is called the stable multi-vibrator. A stable multi-vibrator which consists of BJT as a switch. We use a 4 resistor. Two of them is 5 kilo ohms, and the two is 1 kilo ohms. Okay, for the next component we use two capacitors, which are the 220 microfarad, and another component is two LED blue and green, and another one is a conductor. Okay, the purpose or what we call is the main thing that we need to observe is the two LEDs that needed to prove either the BJT is really allow the current or not. Therefore, the concept of this circuit is to observe the two BJT Q1 and Q2 will continue to swap in on and off state. Okay, the situation is when the Q1 is on state, the Q2 will off state continuously. Okay, as for example, I would like to demonstrate it. Okay, for example, when the C1 is in charging state, the Q2 will be in off, so the LED that corresponded will be off. Okay, meanwhile for the C2, it will act as a discharge to feed sufficient current to the base, so Q1 can be turned on and make the corresponding LED will be turned on. Okay, that is for explanation of the circuit. As for the conclusion, for the experiment, which is the title of the circuit design and simulation in experiment number 1, we are able to obtain a new knowledge which is designing and simulating the circuit based on this experiment. The equipment that we use are 4.7 kilo ohm. The equipment that we use are, like I said, 5 kilo ohms and 1 kilo ohms, and another two capacitor 220 microfarad, both of them, and two LED blue and green, and two BJT transistors. In addition, we also able to explore new things when using the Proteus software by using the library to choose the right component for the circuit and design according to the figure in task 1. Moreover, after the complete the circuit, we try to run the simulation using the play button at the bottom of the left, and we observe the result that had been obtained of the circuit to see whether the LED green and LED blue is on the switch on and off state. Last but not least, from what we had researched of multiplication, from what we had researched from the multivibrators, these multivibrators are commonly used as frequency dividers, sawtooth generators, and a standard frequency source. Overall, this experiment number 1 was a complete success, and we followed all of the procedure given on this lab sheet. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Nabil bin Fauzi. My matrix number is CE100124. Today I will present about the simulation result on this schematic. Before I will run the simulation, I would like to explain that we use 4 resistors here, which is the value is 1000, 5000, 5000 and 1000 respectively. The 2 capacitor, which is the value is 220 microfarad, and the 2 transistor, which is the type is 2N3904. The 2 diode, which is one is LED green and the other one is LED blue, and we put the battery voltage here is 12 volt. And now I'm going to run the simulation. Okay, so as you can see here, the both of the diode of LED blue and LED green is blinking faster. So as you can see, the D2 is sometimes will stay off and then it's blinking. Meanwhile for the LED blue is always blinking, the blue color. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.